Okay, welcome. Welcome back. Video test tayo ng unit. So this is the unit of unit ni Sir Richard of Zamboanga del Norte. Okay, Zamboanga del Norte, Sir Richard. Sir, welcome to 5th generation. This is your unit. 5th generation Hobby Shop. This is your unit, sir. The WE brand M92 standard size gas blowback pistol. Kasi meron siyang meron siyang long version na pistol. Pero ito yung standard. Yung long kasi mas mahaba. Wala pa tayong available nun. Soon meron, magkakaroon tayo. So this is WE made in Taiwan. Ayan, so buksan na natin yung box. Of course, comes with 0.20 grams. 4,000 shots yun. And also comes with number 12 green gas 5 Pop Dyno standard power. Owner's manual. Yung magazine 24 rounder. So bibilisan ko lang to dahil I think ilang beses na to ni-order ni sir. Marami na, hindi ko na mabilang. Maraming order nun sir. Okay, so this is the WE M92 silver fall metal. So this one is fall metal. So paano kung masasabing fall metal? Yung slide niya is metal, no? Yung frame niya is metal. Yung grip niya is also metal. So, ito lang yung cover. Usually talagang plastic yan. Or meron ding iba, wood. Pero ito napapalitan to, itong grip cover na yan. So, ito yun masasabi ko talagang fall metal. So, yung mga fall metal units natin ay ito, this one, and the 1911. Yun yung mga fall metal. Pero yung black, yung 2011 na units like T-Rex, hindi mga fall metal po yun. Metal slide lang yun, pero lower frame nun is metal. Pero yung kanyang grip nun is polymer. But this one, this is fall metal. Fall metal po ito. Mataba yung grip niya. Ayan, di siya slimline. Mataba yung grip. Comes with manual safety yan. Ayan, yung manual safety. Pag binaba mo yung hammer, then binaba mo yung manual safety, hindi siya puputok. Ayan. So, yun yung manual safety ng Beretta. Nag-iisa lang yung safety niyan. Okay. Now, load natin ng PBs and gas. Test ko lang yung kasamang gas, sir, para ma-check natin kung talagang nagkakarga, gumagana. Kasi minsan may gas na hindi nagkakarga. Galing sa factory, hindi nagkakarga. Okay? So, ito, tingnan natin. Okay, meron, nagkakarga. Okay. Ngayon, lagyan natin ng BBs naman para ma-chronograph. Test natin kung ilang EPS yung unit na to. Okay. 24 rounder capacity pero advice. So kami nag-a-advise talaga kami para talagang ma-maintain natin na maganda pa rin yung unit kahit matagal na yung unit nyo, matagal nyo nang ginagamit, maganda pa rin, solid pa rin, intact pa rin. Kasi tinuturuan namin kayo kung paano yung maintenance, kung paano yung hindi dapat gawin, paano yung dapat gawin. So ito dahil 24, mas maganda para hindi malaspag o hindi agad lumambot yung spring mo, hindi compress. Lagyan mo lang siya na at least 10. Yan, mas maganda 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 10. Okay. Ayan. So, mapapansin mo, hindi siya compress yung spring. So, maganda yon dahil hindi ka magpapalit ng spring. Katagalan, hindi ka magpapalit dahil hindi naman lalambot yan dahil hindi siya compress. Okay, so ngayon dahil may gas na yan, may BBs. Ngayon, i-chronograph natin. Okay? So, itatest natin yung chrono kung ilang EPS yan. Sir Richard of Zamboanga del Norte, sir. Okay? Okay, ngayon, Sir Richard, proceed tayo sa chronograph test. EPS test. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS po ito. Okay? This is the WE M92 Fall Metal made in Taiwan. Okay? So, test natin kung ilang EPS yan. Okay, chronograph test. Firing. 363.40. Yan, 363.40. Again, firing 357.8. So, 363. Oh, malakas. Okay, so ngayon, proceed tayo sa shoot test. Okay, Sir Richard of Zamboanga del Norte, sir. Shoot test tayo, shooting test tayo, no? Ubusin natin itong bala. Okay, this is the target. Ngayon, nakasako naman na to. Then, reload. Load na tayo. Okay, firing. Okay, nag-open chamber again, then release the magazine. And then, syempre, yung palagi natin sinasabi dito sa WEM92, so wag niyo itong gagamitin, itong slide stop. Ang gawin nyo, hatakin nyo itong slide para bumaba. Kasi may spring yan eh. Yan, bababa siya, and then, tsaka mo siya i-release. Okay? Hammer down. Okay, Sir Richard of Zamboanga del Norte. Sir, okay na po ang inyong unit. 100% in good condition. Ready to ship bound to Zamboanga del Norte. Thank you for choosing 5th Generation Hobby Shop. If you have more questions, sir, message lang sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and God bless.